Malacanang, meanwhile, claps back at Vice President Sara Duterte following her remarks over recent floodings and the allegation of distorting the Constitution. IBC correspondent Harley Valbuena has the full details.
Doon po sa lubog na ang bansa sa baha, totoo naman po. Kitang-kita po natin ito sa Davao City.
This was the palace's response to Vice President Sara Duterte's new tirade, saying that the country is submerged in flood and poverty, while alleging that no one will ever be held accountable for the flood control scandal. Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro also showed a news article and questioned part of the report, saying that the Duterte administration was able to complete almost 14,000 flood control projects.
Kung meron dapat managot dito sa mga proyektong ito, dahil inamin naman ni dating Pangulong Duterte na merong ghost projects sa panahon niya, dapat din natin malaman kasi para mabigay po natin ang kahilingan ng Vice Presidente na managot ang dapat na managot.
Yusek Castro also claps back to the allegation that the administration prioritizes distorting the charter. Yusek Castro pointed out that the alleged misuse of 125 million pesos confidential funds is a worse violation of the Constitution.
Siguro mas maganda sa ating Vice Presidente na aralin niya po lahat para hindi bumalik sa kanya yung mga ibinibintang niya sa administrasyon. Kasi mas mainam na mas malinis po niya at mapatunayan na ang kanyang opisina ay walang ginawang anumang anomalya.
VP Sara was also advised to be courteous in her words, as the President and the Palace do not tolerate derogatory remarks and ad hominems. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.